Hello, what's up everyone? I hope you're all doing great. I'm finally back with another video. It's been a while. So if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. And I'm just gonna jump right into this video. So back in October or November, I purchased these ASOS boots and I did an unboxing here on my channel. If you're not aware of what I'm talking about, I'll link the video down below in the description box so you can check it out. But I purchased these black leather Chelsea boots with a platform and a high heel from ASOS, and the style was great. I loved the style, I loved the way it looked, but they were quite small for me. So I had to return them, and that particular style was sold out in my style. I wasn't able to exchange them. I had to simply return them, and I decided to go for another pair. So I recently purchased a different style. It's very similar to the ones I had reviewed here on my channel, but they look a little bit different. The sole is a little chunkier, but it's still kind of like the same vibe. It has the platform and the taller heel. So I'm really excited for this new pair I have here, and I'm gonna do another unboxing with you guys. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so this time around I did not open the packaging at all because I wanted to really give you guys a full experience when you get an ASOS purchase to your home. So this is how I got it delivered. It comes in this shopping bag, and it came like this, already ripped because it's just a plastic shopping bag. It comes kind of like sealed at the top, so you know, you can't really open. Oh, the seal is right here. So yeah, you open from here. And this is the back. It has your shipping information here. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna open it right now. And this is it. This is another purchase. I'll show you guys what it is in another video. So here is the box. For the fact that it only comes in that plastic shopping bag, the box is already kind of smooshed and pretty ruined. Yeah, I like to keep my shoes in the box for storage purposes, as I mentioned before. So the box to me is like really important, and just how they deliver. It also has a hole here. Just the way they deliver it, I am not really happy because this is not nice, you know, like I know that this is really affordable or whatnot, but still, you know, it's not a good presentation. But whatever, I'm not gonna be too fussy about it. So it has this little plastic elastic band to keep the box closed. Let me remove this and let's open it. So it's wrapped in the little tissue paper. It has the ASOS logo all over, and then it has the black tissue. Okay. This is the style. It's quite heavy, but I don't mind that. I think it looks really nice. It has two zippers here, one here and one on this side. I love the chunky sole and the heel. This is what it looks like on the bottom. Looking really close, it's very nice. I'm also very happy with this one. I think it looks really great. It's beautiful. I just hope this size fits me. So the size I purchased now is a size 44.5. The size I had previously purchased was a size 43. So the sizing that they have on the website for my region, for where I live, it's a 43, and then it jumps right into a 44.5. They don't have like the 43.5 and the 44 for some reason. I don't know how, but I know for a fact that the size 43 is a size 10.5, because I also looked on the American website, and they have a different sizing for the American website. So the size 43 was equal to a 10.5, and the 44.5, which is this one I purchased, was equal to a size 11. So it's a little confusing to understand their sizing, but yeah, so this is what we're working with now. Let's check out the other side. This is the right. Let's have a look at the left side. Okay, it looks pretty good to me as well. There is no scratches. The stitching looks perfect, and there is like no sloppy gluing or like funny stitching. Yeah, it looks pretty perfect as well, as you can see. It looks awesome. I really love it. Looks amazing. Pretty great style. It looks very high-end, and it looks very high fashion. So I'm happy with the style, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on these babies. So let's see. Oh, okay, so I just realized now that this side, the zipper is not functional. It's just for the looks. Yeah, it doesn't open, so it's just for style. It's not functional, only this one is. So it comes with these papers inside, just to hold the leather together, I guess. And yeah, as you can see here on the inside, yeah. Alright, so let's put it on. Okay, still feels a little tight, but not bad. I think it's just Like the length is fine actually. I just feel it like very tight here. It's very narrow, but it's not bad. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Let's put the other one on. This one is tighter. Jeez. Okay. Yeah. My left foot feels a little tighter over here. But I mean, the style is great. I really like it. Right off the bat, they don't seem to be very comfortable, but the style is definitely a 10. I love it. Okay, I just wanted to share really quick with you guys. There's this brand called Cyro that they have amazing boots, and they have this one particular style that really looks like these ASOS ones I'm reviewing. I discovered this brand over Instagram through their posts and everything. The brand is amazing. I love their aesthetics and everything. It's a brand based in New York City, and as you can see right there on their Instagram page, they also have a shop where you can purchase their items. And here are those boots. It's called Ami Boots, and apparently goes for $230 versus $95, which is the sale price for these ASOS ones. Alright, you guys, so you just saw how it looked on. Just one more time, this is a size 44.5, and in US size on the website it's equal to size 11, and I wear a size 43.5 in most of the shoes that I have. Just to give you an example, I have boots from Saint Laurent. They're all 43.5. I have a lot of shoes from Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Christian Louboutin. They're all 43.5. So my shoe size is 43.5. 9.5 UK size and 10.5 US size, just so you have an idea. I am really happy with the style, with the way it looks. The fitting is fine. I think I just have to break in the leather a little bit to make it more comfortable, and I definitely need to get used to the heel height, because I'm not quite used to it. The tallest heel that I have is like a 60mm, and my Saint Laurent and Christian Louboutin boots. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I would style these boots, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep up with my coming up videos, because I'll definitely be posting other videos styling these bad boys right here. And yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram. You can find me on there as I'm Nelson Rodriguez. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.